Hi everyone, Grant K here for the Flame Premium Learning channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a selection of multiple clips and step their timecode for output. This is quite a common versioning task, but it has changed compared to previous versions of Flame Premium. So I have created 4 masters, and I would like to step their timecode. Currently, all I see is a frame count and not the timecode of the clips. Press Ctrl-Alt-T to toggle between the frame and timecode display of the interface. Looking at the timecode of each clip, all of them start with a 0 timecode. I would like to step the timecode of all these clips so that each clip starts on the next minute. Now what I'm about to show you can be done wherever your clips exist. This could be in the desktop or the library. I'm also going to use the list view in the media panel to make this obvious. But once again, this is an optional step. Click the Media Panel View Mode pull-down menu and set the media panel to full width. You can use Shift-tilde to switch between full width and regular width. Change the media panel display mode from Tiles to List. Looking at the media start column, you can see that all the clips have a 0 timecode. To step the timecode, first select all the clips you want to alter. The order in which you select them will be the order of the timecode stepping. Meta-click on the selection for the contextual menu. Choose Reformat. These operations can't be undone, so click Confirm on the pop-up window. In the Reformat menu, ensure that you only enable the change option for timecode and keycode. So in the timecode mode, set the settings to reformat only the record timecode. Under the timecode and mode header, ensure you change the timecode from the start of the clip. And also ensure that you are only setting a new timecode and not altering the frame rate. Let's set a timecode of 10 hours. These should all be pretty straightforward. The last setting is to tell Flame Premium how to deal with the selection. By default, all the selected clips could be given the same timecode of 10 hours. Clicking the pull-down menu, you could choose Sequential timecode. Let's reformat the clips to see what it does. Looking at the media start and media end columns, you can see that as one clip finishes, the next one starts on the very next frame and so on. So if you wanted the clips to start sequentially after each other, then this is the option to use. However, I want each clip to start on the next minute. Meta-click on the selection again and go back to the Reformat menu. This time, change the Multiple Selection pull-down menu to Step Timecode. In the Timecode field, set a stepping timecode of 1 minute. Click Reformat. Once again, looking at the Media Start column, you can see that the first clip starts at 10 hours, and the next clip starts at 1 minute later, and so on. So for doing any versioning work, this should hopefully be a useful workflow. Comments, feedback and suggestions are welcome and appreciated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the Flame Premium Learning channel for future videos.